Hello viewers, welcome to our class. Today's topic is our planet, our world. Earth is often called the blue planet because nearly 70% of its surface is covered by water. From space, it looks like a beautiful blue and green marble floating in the darkness of the universe. It is the only known planet that supports life, making it a truly special place. Mountains, rivers, forests, deserts, and oceans create a rich and diverse environment where millions of species live together. Humans, animals, and plants all depend on Earth for survival. In a small town surrounded by green hills lived a 12 years old girl named Maya. She loved nature and spent most of her free time exploring nearby forests and streams. One day, her science teacher showed the class a photograph of Earth taken from space. As Maya looked at the image, she felt amazed by its beauty. However, the teacher also explained that pollution, deforestation, and climate change were threatening the planet. Maya became concerned regarding this. She wondered what she could do to help. At first, the problems seemed too large for one person to solve. But her teacher reminded the class that every positive action begins with a single step. Inspired by these words, Maya decided to take action in her community. She started by planting trees with her family and friends. They organized cleanup campaigns in local parks and collected plastic waste from nearby rivers. Maya also encouraged her neighbors to reduce the use of single use plastics and to recycle whenever possible. Slowly, more people became interested in protecting the environment. At school, Maya created an environmental club. Students meet every week to discuss ways to make their town cleaner and greener. They organized awareness programs, created posters, and taught younger children about the importance of caring for nature. The club soon became one of the most popular groups in the school. News of their efforts spread to nearby towns. Other schools started similar clubs, and communities began working together on environmental projects. People planted thousands of trees, protected local wildlife, and promoted renewable energy sources such as solar power. These actions help reduce pollution and improve the quality of life for many people. Several years later, the changes were clearly visible. Rivers became cleaner, parks became greener, and birds and animals returned to areas where they had once disappeared. The community felt proud of what they had achieved together. Maya realized that meaningful change happens when people unite around a common goal. One evening, Maya stood on a hill overlooking her town. The sun was setting, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink. She remembered the photograph of Earth that had inspired her years before. Looking at the world around her, she understood an important truth. Earth belongs to everyone, and everyone has a role in protecting it. Our planet is our only home. It provides us with air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. By making responsible choices, and caring for the environment, we can ensure that future generations inherit a healthy and beautiful world. The history of our planet is still being written, and each of us has the power to make it a history of hope, responsibility, and positive change. Thanks to everybody for watching. If you like the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to support us.